It is a bento. He is a little capybara. Today is a special day. What is Bento celebrating? Bento is celebrating his birthday. Look! The hare is here. He has gifts. He brings 3 orange carrots. What did the hare give? The hare gave carrots. The wolf comes to the party. He has a basket of berries. Are the berries sweet? Yes, the berries are sweet. Here is the fox. She brings beautiful flowers. Are the flowers for Bento? Yes, the flowers are for Bento. The big bear arrives. He brings a jar of honey. Is the bear kind? Yes, the bear is very kind. The little chicken is here. She brings yellow grain. What does the little chicken bring? The little chicken brings grain.
The goose comes to see Bento. She brings big red apples. How many apples? There are many red apples.
It is time for picnic. Bento puts table decorations on the table. Is the table ready? Yes, the table is ready. Look! A birthday cake. It is a big birthday cake. Do the friends like cake? Yes, they love the cake. The friends have fun. They eat and play. Is the party fun? Yes, the party is fun.
Bento is happy. He has many gifts. Does Bento like his gifts? Yes, he likes his gifts.
Happy birthday, Bento! It is a very happy day. Bento smiles.